Photo editing is about to get a serious AI upgrade, and you won't need to be a pro to take advantage of it. Hello, and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Editing a photo now is just like rubbing the lamp and commanding the genie what you want, and boom, it gets done. With the upcoming release of the Pixel 10 series, Google's introducing an exciting feature that lets its users edit their photos using just plain words. No additional skills required, like if you want to move reflections, restore washed out colors, or even add things that weren't there before, just type it, or you can say it as well, and the AI takes care of the rest. The changes happen almost instantly, turning casual snapshots into polished, share-worthy images. It's not just about filters anymore. You don't have to go through them all. Now you can transform the whole photo with a few words. The new feature will launch first in the United States on the Pixel 10 series before expanding globally to other devices. According to sources, this update removes the need to understand traditional editing techniques, opening doors for users who may think tools like Photoshop are too complex or too time-taking. But that's not all. Google isn't stopping at simple prompts. For those who want more control, the AI also supports follow-up directions. Users can tweak the results step by step, allowing for both creativity and precision until they get their desired image. Additionally, if you just want the photo to be edited and don't know what to do, Google Photos will offer smart suggestions, which are predefined edits that help those unsure of how to improve their images. It's like having a personal photo editor built right into your phone. And to support transparency and AI-edited content, Google's also integrating C2PA content credentials into both the Pixel 10's camera app and Google Photos. This move adds digital labels to images, showing when and how they've been modified. This is a useful feature since most of the images are AI-generated now. All these features combined will surely change the course of photo editing forever. What do you think about this new feature? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.